Hit it, bro.
Hello there, and welcome to Reaction Land. I'm your host, John Marshall. If you're new to the channel, please remember to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification to be notified of future upcoming videos. On this episode, we have a requested reaction for Diana Ankudinova performing Blizzard. And it all starts right now.
Yes.
Let's get into it. Blizzard. Alright, here we go.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня тишиной сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом.
Such intensity.
Где-то там в тишине ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там вдалеке никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты.
Alright, let's go ahead and pause it right there. First of all, I've got to say that for her age, her voice is really, really ahead of its time. She has such an amazing presence when she's on stage, and I notice that it just gets better and better each time. There's something very unusual about her, and when you hear her voice, it's kind of a shocking thing because your senses are like, whoa, what happened? I think she picks the right kind of songs that fit her personality. I like her theatrics and her staging. She has the voice of a very mature woman. She's definitely very interesting and unique. Let's get back into it.
Со мной кружит белая вьюга, тихо ходит зима. Слышишь, как замерзаю снова я без тебя.
Wow. Terrific. Diana Ankudinova. Wow. Another wonderful, spectacular performance. Well, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. I'm John Marshall. Till the next time that we meet. God bless you.
How dare you hug my wife in front of my eyes?
Turn around, I'll hug her behind your back.
Can the shatter, I'll give you new fingers in the eyes.
Have you got new ones?
What are these?
Those are the old ones.
They'll do.
Oh!
Come
come on, we gotta get our wardrobe.
Oh, yeah, we gotta get our wardrobe. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You gonna start that again? Go.